Understanding unique masterpiece. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of expressions, focusing on the phrase, unique masterpiece. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a language lover, or just curious, this video will unravel the meaning and use of this beautiful expression. Let's embark on this linguistic adventure together. Unique masterpiece combines two powerful words that each carry deep meanings. Let's dissect them. Unique means something that is one of a kind, unmatched, or without equal. It refers to uniqueness in existence or occurrence. Masterpiece refers to a work of outstanding artistry, skill, or workmanship. Historically, it was used to describe an artist's greatest work or a piece of exceptional quality that showcases the creator's abilities. When these words come together, they describe something extraordinarily special and unparalleled in its beauty, quality, or significance. Understanding through examples can illuminate the phrase's essence. Consider the following scenarios where unique masterpiece might be used. In art, referring to a painting or sculpture that is not only the artist's best work but also unparalleled in its beauty and originality. In literature, describing a novel or poem that stands out for its innovative style, storytelling, or depth of emotion. In everyday life, could refer to a personal achievement or creation that one is exceptionally proud of, like designing a one-of-a-kind piece of jewelry or crafting a unique solution to a problem. By recognizing these contexts, learners can appreciate the breadth of the phrase's application and its ability to convey deep admiration and uniqueness. Unique masterpiece isn't just about language. It's a reflection of values and appreciation. This phrase embodies the idea that certain creations or achievements are so special that they stand out from the rest. It speaks to the universal human desire to recognize and celebrate excellence and originality. In different cultures, what constitutes a unique masterpiece can vary, offering insights into what is cherished and valued within those societies. This aspect makes the phrase a fascinating study not only in language but also in cultural appreciation and history. We hope this exploration of unique masterpiece has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also your appreciation for the beauty and depth of language. Remember, language is not just about communication. It's about connecting with ideas, emotions, and cultures. Keep exploring, and who knows, you might discover your own unique masterpiece along the way. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.